But the main point is Calabar right now we have 3 LGAs, 3 local government areas. The functions of these LGAs are what beginning here. Okay? What culture in a way? LGAs may should come, sponsor cultural activities annually and those kind of things. Right? And another thing I want to quickly say is this: Calabar right now, let us consider ourselves as a merged community. Buguma, Bonima, and everything. But if you look at Buguma and Edo to Abalama, it's almost like one community, right? That's how Port Harcourt is. Port Harcourt was not made up of one community. Different room of this, room of that, Abuloma, this or whatever. It's all made Port Harcourt. Calabar is almost like that. If you travel from Degema to Obama, it's almost like one town. So why do we still see them as different communities and all that? So the local government, whatever, should now come together and make an urban plan and all that, and then institute these cultural activities annually. Degema right now should be made an entertainment center. We have a mini stadium right there where cultural displays will be taking place all that annually. That's what we want.
I can't remember the name of Calabar boy Bifia. Can't go talk about it and then if Moko Asari Biobo. You are taking a coma. You money about I'm not so deep, I'm not Asari Biobo. Oceanga Obama, but I'm not here. Monina Boya, yes, I do be a yes of Aye Treme. One emo Adwa Bakam. And I pick good anime Dugan and then more common so Bala Tamno Comna Tamebu Suter Obutaming Ba. I
don't think we necessarily need a Calabar governor to give us the road, the Trans-Calabari road that we need. I can't go to me to get a name. Why in a rebel Trans-Calabari road, man? Calabar governor and Kewane Perea. It is not a Calabar governor that made that possible. So, because of that, I think it is not for us to get a Calabar governor to achieve that. We just need a leader that is willing to expand development into the rural areas. Okay? Because a Calabar Digikma, a Bakana Digikma, and other Calabar houses, in Port Harcourt, and it is good to spread development to other areas and not just concentrated in one area, which is Port Harcourt or Obiako. So, Yere Akane Bravo, Calabar governor, yeah, it's a good thing, but I know that in Bosobokma, in Boile, it is somebody that have the mindset of moving out development to other areas that would do that work for us.
Eremna Woma, the women or the ladies or the young ladies, they have no direction. They don't know what they do not know. And so whatever they're doing right now is what they've seen. When my brothers talk about education, education comes from a Latin word called educo. And educo means drawing out from within. So we are having education from outside in instead of from inside out. And until we come back inside, Tamnosaki said we need to come back. I heard another speaker say we need to come back to our core values and our core roots. Ignorance reigns only where there is sex, religion, and politics. These 3 things have killed us. And we continue to do these 3 things. Therefore, we have no core. We have no culture to fall back on. We have no values. We're copying the white man's ways. We're copying the politicians. We're copying from the outside in. There's an African proverb that says that if there's no enemy within, the enemy outside can do us no harm. Until we come back to self, until we come back to Polo, until we come back to Ama, until we come back to the Sekiapo, to the Riaseki, to the Onunga, until we come back to those things, we are a lost people. This unity we're looking for starts from within. In Sembra cell phone fin na pretend bebe. Imuni na warrior sote. In Sembra if ye fin na prim bebe. Imute in ye because they don't know who they are as women. They don't know that they are the Sukutariapo. They don't know that they are the Warikobriapo. They don't know that they are the ones that give birth to the whole nation. So when you talk about Erimna Woma, I'm very, very passionate about it. It is a reorientation and a reintroduction of our culture and our core values. Until we get to that point, everything else does not work. So in Yari Nimia, why not to Mabe Sakilate? Amabe me so what became Dikia, one of Dikia, what commanded me, what make not be Najabina Jam, because one the master what give ya, there might be below you balance so you want to say, yeah, Minia, base Minia. But I am talking about the children back home. I commuted where just like 3 times, 4 times a year, and Nigeria wear me. I became Abuja Busma, I'm gonna I'm wearing. I told me I'm wearing, I really told me I'm wearing me. I really told me I'm wearing me. I go back to my core roots, and what I see makes me cry. In Nimia, so it's time for us to teach. Most of us here are over 50 years old. It's time for us to teach the core values of what we learned. We need to pass it down to the next generation.
In this how do we get them back on track?
Why not Tolmaga will start classes, we'll start symposiums, town hall meetings to encourage them to come and listen. Have speakers like we have on the panel, preferably women, preferably women that they think or perceive as successful, depending on what success means to them. We need to start the talks, is to create the awareness. Let them know that they are loved. Let them know that we care about them. Let them know that they are our future, for without them we are lost. They are the next generation, for without them Kalabari Fateh.
I see the Kalabari Amainabo as the Amainabo position, or the Amainabo stool as lacking, as slacking, as not functioning. Together, I mean, like to me, Bamok Amainabo Bemnese or a Bunma Mugma, 2 or Stopuba. Both in Ostopubia. Amano Benes or Kakama Mugma, 2 or Stopuba, both of Stopubia. Amanabo Bakana Mugma. Bakanabo impressive. Most of Stopubia. Those things are not happening. In Kalabari town, Sekapu Sobofuri. Sekapu is what Kalabari uses as what they call attachment. To bring about unity, there must be an attachment. Like for instance, crowd, the collective crowd unity. A particular man on the stage, and everybody can enjoy it, and everybody. And that's what it's about, the presence of everybody. We need an attachment. The attachment will be the Kalabari cultural system, the Kalabari head, the Kalabari leadership. Right? The way we have that, we have that presence. Sekapu is one attachment in Kalabari Israel to bring about unity. Yabuna Uban Sekapu, your Kalabari Nasakapu. Ikakama Uban Sekapu, your Kalabari Nasakapu. Is the leader of the Sekapu. Amaina of Kalabari is the leader. Yabuna Mugma, there's Sekapu, who is the leader? Amaina of Kalabari is the leader.
Mingba Yamamukuma. Wana Power mine in Ereba. In Sukulu Mubai na Krakra, ne Didawari Mubai na Krakra. Ereba ne Pulotebra Buki began Ayangani, and in where more Ongi Pulo, Dereba Angana, Jaija Yena, Siokosona, Mina, Dugobra, Ira, Mingawasaki, Arodok one Mama Latte, Yamamukuma, in a Calabaribo Eribiamne, Yeri Araru Telemai, Yeri Apaya Telemai, or Yeri Amelia. What became Braconama, Nawabia? What fire Yanaba Ganewa Doki, and they became a me one who Papuma Piki, one in my use as political talks. They can't understand it, and they're going to become one use as political talks. Mokute like Bekim Bebra, one a Calabana, they make Pakabua, one way Jaco. We are being woke. It's for us to go back to our roots in a sensitizing. Proper orientation can après meta ni mimne sukulu mume sia ipiki ne school me muaso peki bra konama dokite dawa okome ba yere ba me ya inye ya ite egbo naira na mai naira na ya na bebe kini inebo ilabia me bo alaga kini me bo 10 ya 50,000 ke pre o bo alaga kini bo 10 ya bo 10,000 ke 100,000 ke pre ani mete yere me ya mamu kuma bebe ba yere politician boy inkono ma dokia impiki bra kono me inyana impiki ke mu kono me doki bari e konda sani in a way to ma popiki school nwa we should go back to our grassroots.
I want to learn the language and make it fun. And brought app, create a Kalabari 101 app since everybody's on their phone. And brought Facebook, and brought YouTube, and brought LinkedIn, and brought whatever social media platform, TikTok, Snapchat, wherever these children are, we need to look for them. And we need to get them interested in wanting to speak the language. And not just wanting to speak the language, we need to introduce the Kalabari culture. Our culture is so rich. Okay, we have bright colors. You know, we need to bring it back. And then that's the starting point.
Papa made the one I made a mass me. If you papa one wapa you test me. They can so here why you now bravo, why you for so now my amabe make it. I want men fiber. Moko one way Japo, Eyareba, Dabo, Kalabari, Ingibo Kalabari, Warela Kuma, Junior come and eat, Junior come and do this, come and do that. I'm having mess in by name, in by Pikini Awama, Toluma. In the Imbraro, not that in Ereba, in a Capone coin, when I'm having make a coin. In Yoma, I kept good when I'm having a coin. Dabobe or kept good when I'm having a coin. But in our man, a coin command. Making the fin up there. Yari, I mean, making me in the Dawari Mute, making me Dawaba. Wari bio, and I am a man Dawai. Yari, as never a god boss about the way preamne, me Cassie, me impra, me no. Adwai Brame, Amabi me in Na, Adwai Brame, or come abo Ibule criminal, Amabi me, a Fiedimbre.
You've also got smaller towns. Minapuma, Bitebe, where do they go? How do they get access to health amenities and stuff they need? So there are a lot of things that we have to consider. Once we have a structure in place, then we can go forward and say, okay, there's a need for this road. This is why we need this road. Our hospitals are back on, they're running. The banks are working. You know, these investors will come in. We can create jobs for people in and around these communities. So there are a lot of things that we haven't done ourselves. So why is the land looking? We're looking for road to do what? You know, let's start by putting our own house in order first. You know, before we go, the people that represent us, are they really representing our interests? These are the things. So there are a lot of questions to be asked, and you know, but with this one, I don't think Kalabari governor is the issue.
What okay, industry na job like. One am a sobo, and one am a sobo. Yeah, been at the Admiral operate. Mock Walcoco electricity docare. While Miji Miji docare. When I remember, Amabio and Sobokma, Conamo full baby. What became a tech bear glass of wine? And then the practical end of it, really. But even in Konamakebo, one am a shop there are so ininated in a woman care shop method iboku tomai and then ininated in a woman in a school do super ben a brewate any day you
if it will still bounce back to one route because generally Kalabari in Apuma to the largest extent the area with so much lived on white collar job, which has directly or indirectly limit us to other aspects of survival. Just like inbred Guburame. Iridawareme is not like Indiridawareme with the Bombe. Koinama Ofori is an understatement of my own belief. Because every day Isaki Goge different things are never Kaibe. That is to say, Mingba imu awayeme ine mingba nke Koinama Korea why they take Koinama Korea. So why wait till that part? You can generate something. Ibrina Madi Mabrina Boyereba, Udirida Warimute Dirikowe Nite, professorship lade. But Anisaki Okore Dirime, or Anikeda Wakuyo Ereba, Opera Coin number one thing or the other career. But Calabarina Youthma in general, I will not say it's laziness, but it's, I would like put it maybe lack of proper orientation. You understanding? Yeri mokine kwa mbo yeri criminologist. Or more kwa ine kwa ibe bra more a criminologist ki kwa ina makorea. Akwa ina makorea as a crime profiler or whatsoever. On my own, this thing avenue creative frame. That is the problem, the one I used me back at home, and that is the only reason why they've been doomed or been used as political thugs and the rest of it.